Hey, what's going on, guys? Going to make a quick video for you about how to connect your hoverboard to your phone or device or whatever type of Bluetooth device that's going to be playing it. But if you first are unsure if your hoverboard even has Bluetooth, go ahead and flip it around. If you flip it around and you see some speakers on the bottom, and actually, to be honest with you, there's one speaker. This one is fake. I mean, some hoverboards might have two speakers. This particular one only has one. The reason I know that, I have taken it apart and looked. So if you see any sort of speaker holes like that anywhere around here, your hoverboard most likely has Bluetooth. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to turn on the hoverboard, and so it fires up. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, so we're in the Bluetooth menu. So whatever device you're using, go to Settings, Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, number one. And then, as we can see here, it actually is Bluetooth. That's the device you want to connect to. If you don't see it, look down in available devices on iPhone or Droid, whatever you're using. It's going to be down in available devices, and it's just called Bluetooth. So I disconnected it, so let me show you once you do connect it, just saying Bluetooth, it'll go ahead and chime on you right there. Now let's go ahead and flip over to any music or YouTube video, and you will get sound through your speaker. We can't play too much of this, but once you hit play, so that's it, guys. Just make sure in your Bluetooth menu that you connect to the one that just says Bluetooth. And thumbs that video up if it has helped you. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.